I want to see this.
It's hard to see what.
It's just in.
Do it. Whenever you're ready, Kyle. Scrambled.
Hello everybody, welcome. This is the second day of daily vlogs. Yeah, it's quite interesting, isn't it? So I woke up this morning realizing, I have to go to freaking school today. It was pretty interesting. Interesting stuff happened in English class with my friend Joshua Brown. Yeah, stuff like that. That's oversimplified. That's basically the entire thing in a nutshell. So now we're gonna approach lunch, and lunch, my friend decided to pull a little gag on me. Hiding a bag somewhere, and he dragged me all the way into the boys' locker room just to see if it's there, and guess what? It wasn't. It turns out he was hiding it under the table the entire time. God damn it. You sneaky little fool.
That's true.
You sneaky little fool trying to trip me, going into stupid bathrooms just looking for everything.
That was a good
Sneaky.
thing.
No, it wasn't. Yep. And just to let you know, he's right here.
Yep.
Again.
Okay, I can't.
Well, you obviously know who it is.
Yeah.
Because,
That was a really good prank. I still.
that was a bit of a gag.
Well, yeah, it's a very good gag. I mean, I still crack up about it. I got you really good.
I bet you did.
Wait, what are you doing? No,
See
no,
ya.
yo, give it back, give it. Oh, yo, I got your phone. I got your phone.
I knew that's how we trade ring. Let's have a trade.
Alright.
Let's have a trade. Come on.
Alright. Hand me the bag.
Don't drop it. Oh fuck, it's cracked.
Oh man. Well, hey, that.
Oh look, this is broken.
Oh, that could be like what your video would be about. I broke my phone.
I swear to God, now the stupid thing doesn't work. Wanted to pull just a tiny little joke. It's just a joke. It's nothing too bad.
Yeah.
Now I have to make sure this thing is charged. Otherwise, stuff like this might happen.
So anyway, what do you want to do next?
I don't know. The phone's broken.
Yeah, maybe that could be a thumbnail. I broke my phone.
Alright, so I have a new button to set this up. I just gotta make sure this thing doesn't die. That's my New Year's resolution. Make sure my phone doesn't die.
Alright. But that's a good New Year's resolution.
Yeah, there we go. So yeah, entertaining stuff happening.
What happened?
Look at this.
Oh. Ooh.
It's literally like in there.
Man,
Can you
it's
focus
stuck.
on it? Here, focus on it.
Yeah, it's stuck in there, alright.
Yeah, he'll focus. Focus.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yeah. Yeah, I can see it. Oh my,
There you go. He'll keep it there. I just want to
yeah. Oh my god, it's stuck in there really good.
see. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, let's see if I start bleeding soon. Let's see if I start bleeding.
Yeah.
So you gotta be careful of everything. Yeah, I mean this phone is it's fucked up. I'm sorry. This phone.
Yo, can we actually go inside because I'm freezing my butt
Yeah,
off.
let's go. Okay, so it's 2:59 right now. My finger's bleeding. That's always great. Yeah, there we go. There's the bleeding finger. Alright, there's the bleeding finger. And I'm gonna have to configure this thing. And it's just about to be 3 p.m. So I gotta go on display, auto brightness. Basically figure out everything. Where is this? 10 minutes. 30 seconds. So now I'm gonna have to find out how in the world I'm going to do all this. I mean, it still works, thank God. Yep. This is pretty fun. Okay. So I'm just gonna send out streaks, I guess. And that's the bell. Selena,
Oh, what's
you're in the vlog. Did you know that?
Oh, how
Guess what? I just cracked my phone.
You did?
Yeah, and the home button's broken.
Yeah.
So I can't like shut it off. Like it's actually like damaged. Yeah. So yeah, that's how my day is starting.
Yep. Well,
Are you ready for the meet?
I'm ready.
You're ready? Alright, nice. Alright. Alright, so where was I? Oh yes. Where's the always on display? Alright, so now I can't even shut this off. Yep, scratches everywhere, cracks everywhere. Yep, my day's going out real fine. Can I still? Well, that's why I have the timer for 15 seconds. So for reasons not to be explained, I'm gonna film with a handy iPad from now on.
Run that video like a track beat.
Yes,
Give me the pack and the mic take that. She got a fat in the mic take that. Give me your addy, we pulling up to your better.
Yo! Michael!
She's on my dick and I bet on her. I got the pack in the box and say my planet.
Do that again so that way I get it on camera.
No!
What happened to your phone?
It cracked.
Oh no. Yo, we cracked both of ours on the same day. The only difference is that mine home button is fucked up.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh my god, you scared me though.
No, literally Jake went like this. And then it went on the floor.
That was my fault. But no, we checked and we were in there.
No, I checked if you were in there. I saw who up here.
Yeah, you saw us go out.
I was gonna try to skip you. That's what I tried
No,
to do.
you obviously thought we were in there. Wait, what is that for? Is it filming?
Yeah, of course it's filming. It's in the vlog.
Bro, it looks. No. Do it, please do it.
I look so ugly. Like, get me out of here. Yeah.
How bad's the damage?
Wait!
Oh my god.
Wait, he's not here.
Oh my
I thought you were
god.
live. I thought you were live. Stop. I wasn't.
Yeah, what is that? Bronze medal or gold medal?
What?
Is that a bronze medal or gold medal we have?
Bronze.
I can't tell from the shitty ass lighting.
You could assume it's gold.
I'm kidding.
Bronze? It's brown. I see it. It's brown. Okay, you know what? We're getting a divorce.
What?
Uh-oh.
We're getting a divorce.
John, I want a divorce.
John, I want a divorce.
Divorce.
It's not funny, John, and you know it's been coming for a long time.
Well, divorce.
Why do you always laugh when I'm upset?
Oh, every time you say divorce, you just look so cute.
I'm serious this time, John.
Nicole! 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 I can't hear it. The bell got what? Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. Alright. Yeah, basically left at the track meet. Should be pretty good. He's mad. There we go. So they're all following behind me, but they're supposed to go the other way. Only because I'm here trying to get a snack. So yeah. What's new in life? I have no clue, but see if we get some last minute grub before we get on the bus. Wish me luck. I stayed behind just to get 3 slices of pizza and a Pepsi. Feel like they're about to slide off because of the paper. And yeah. Basically I stayed behind for this. Just think, which way am I supposed to go anyways? I just hope I know where the hell I'm going. Cause what if I get lost? then I am fucked. Okay, that has to be our bus. If it's not our bus, then we're fucked. But hey, I got 3 slices of pizza. Don't tell me that's my bus. Really hope not. I assume this is, thankfully. I really hope it is. Because if it's not, well, you get the idea. Okay, so, best of luck to me. Yeah! Welcome back!
Nice job in the 400!
I didn't get that obsession when I was on the bus. I got pizza instead. So, moral of the story. Don't steal your friend's backpack, because otherwise they're going to try to steal yours, and then they're going to break their phone. And possibly break the home button. But at least, someone else that you know will also break their phone on the same day. Takes 2 to tango. Hey, I have a magic trick if you haven't seen it yet. See this tiny little pretzel thing that's in a knot? I'm gonna make this turn into a real pretzel. Whee! Oh, dang, it's kind of broken, but... I got it out of this bag. This is like a tangle or something. But anyway, I hope you enjoy the vlog today. I did not expect the broken phone to be a piece of it, but it was. So, yeah, that's just basically me. Anyways, I'm just another random Tom. I'll see you guys later. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Take care.